robust growth and benign inflation, the banking system further consolidated, and the regulatory framework was refined to strengthen the financial system, enhance ease of doing business, and improve consumer protection. At the same time, we approached the new year with hope, vigor, and determination to further support the economy and accelerate progress. Since the October policy, the Indian economy has witnessed rapid disinflation, with inflation coming down to an unprecedentedly low level. For the first time since the adoption of flexible inflation targeting, average headline inflation for a quarter at 1.7% in Q2 this year breached the lower tolerance threshold of 2% of our inflation target. It dipped further to a mere 0.3% in October 2025. On the other hand, real GDP growth accelerated to 8.2% in Q2, buoyed by strong spending during the festive season, which was further facilitated by the rationalization of the GST rates. Inflation at a benign 2.2% and growth at 8% for the first half of this year presents a rare Goldilocks period. Globally, contrary to earlier expectations, growth has been relatively strong. Evolving geopolitical and trade environments, however, continue to weigh on the outlook. Inflation paths remain divergent, with headline inflation remaining above target in most advanced economies. Pressures in most emerging markets, however, are contained, providing them the room for accommodative monetary policy. Conflicting pulls and pressures from AI-fueled optimism and concerns over high valuations are playing out in global equity markets. Divergence in monetary policy trajectory of central banks is adding to the uncertainty on the capital flows and yield spreads. I will now come to the major decisions of the MPC and the RBI. The MPC met on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th of December to deliberate and decide on the policy repo rate. After a detailed assessment of the evolving macroeconomic conditions and the outlook, the MPC voted unanimously to reduce the policy repo rate by 25 basis points to 5.25% with immediate effect. I repeat, the MPC voted unanimously to reduce the policy repo rate by 25 basis points to 5.25% with immediate effect.